So I'm here at Houston Intercontinental, and this is the mock interior of what Continental 787 Dreamliner would look like. As you can see, this is the entry of the door. When you enter it, here's the blue lighting. This is like what you would see when you actually enter into the 787. Alright, so I'm here at Houston Intercontinental, and this is the mock-up interior of a Continental Airlines 787. Alright. There aren't any seats in there, obviously, but you know, Continental. It'd be nice if the first 787 that United Continental ordered actually came with the Continental name on it, since Continental placed an order for these such a long time ago. North American launch customer. There's a Continental 787. Here's the interior of what Continental's 787 will look like. You see, it would come with the blue, the new Boeing Sky interior on the 787, and then the window shades that are sensor control. It's a sensor for the window shade, so when it's black out, and then when it's not. So this is like the actual width of the 787 Dreamliner.
Denver passenger Lawrence Clark, please report to gate E21 for immediate departure.
Again, it's the outside. And here's like the entryway. And the door.